welcome you to the inauguration of Dr. Glynis Fitzgerald as President of Alvernia University. For only the 8th time in our 65-year history, we observe the installation of a new leader. Today we celebrate a new beginning, the building on the strong foundation set by our foundresses, the Bernardine Franciscan Sisters, and the previous 7 presidents of Alvernia.
In the years since I've known Dr. Fitzgerald, she has proven herself to be a compassionate leader, an innovator who has the mission of Alvernia University at heart, and someone who is very involved in our community.
Ever since we met in graduate school, the word exactly was Glynis's simple yet elegant way to express that she is fully engaged and on board in the conversation she's having with you. Now standing here and reflecting on the person I knew then and who I know now, it is clear to me that her character, her ability to translate across worlds, her dedication to the service of others, and her fundamental knowledge about communication and relationships is why I get to use her word, exactly. She is exactly why we're here today.
As president, I intend to foster an atmosphere where we facilitate conversations with our community partners in determining how to approach problems together, asking the right questions to flesh out the relevant issues, and furthering the deep work in the community with partners already active in these spaces. So, as I accept the honor and responsibility of being inaugurated as Alvernia's 8th president, I invite you to be my partners, to be Alvernia's partners as we undertake that work.